Now she's opening up the presents from Grammy.
What's this? Huh? How cute and adorable, and it comes with a necklace.
Whoa.
Wow, you really know my style. I love it. Okay. Over here.
Wow, she sent you several.
Aw, this is so cute. Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, it really is cute. Bow polka dots.
Does it smell like Grammy?
Yes, yes it does.
Another one. Oh, this one looks.
Another necklace one.
This one looks neat. Wow, look at that fringe.
Oh, you so know my style. How do you know my style so good? Woo!
Oh, that is you. That is totally you.
Yeah.
Cute and stylish.
What's this?
What does it say?
Love. Love.
Love.
Sort of hard to read. Does this say love? I can't read it.
Hold it up.
Okay. Hold on. Wait.
It says. I can't tell either. It looks like love. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it says love.
Okay. Okay.
Sequins. Is that your style too?
Sort of.
Sort of.
Yeah,
That is
but
totally your style.
I like it. I really do like it, but I don't know. It's okay. But the best ones I like. Okay, these are my two favorites. Okay, where are they? They're not hard to find. Oh, this one.
It has a necklace with it.
Wait, where is it? Okay, where's the top? This one. Okay,
That is super cute.
and this
Oh, I really like that one too.
one. Wow.
Just want to say thank you to Grammy and Papa.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jasmine.
Woohoo.